into '86. There was a time in there where I don't know if I was trying to get my dad to feel sorry for me or to just give me a raise. But I told him, I said, I can't do this anymore. Because I was a big fish in a big sea, and now I'm nothing in Topeka. And my dad just kind of looked at me and said, go do what you love to do and figure out a way to love what you're doing. Because until you do one or the other, you're not going to be very happy. And he turned around and walked up toward the front, and I thought, that's not what I wanted to hear. But I think it was right around that time that I finally decided that, well, if I'm going to be here doing this, I'm going to try to be the best I can be. And I think I got real serious about trying things. My dad and I continued to work together. We built the building that we're presently in out my advisors excel next door to Community Bank in 1987. 88 we moved in. And in 1990, my dad and I entered into a buy-sell agreement where I could buy the cleaner from over time. Now, in that 10-year period of time, I missed a lot of vacations and I missed some meals, but I never missed a payment to him. I was committed. I wanted to own it. I wanted it all. Greed, but I wanted to be in control. That's kind of how I got to be in charge of it.